For years, Diana was my sole handler at the agency. She supplied information and secrecy, and I sold perfection. We had trust. Then last August 10th, Diana brought the agency to its knees. She flushed all accounts, cut off all communication lines, exposed the agents, and used the confusion to vanish. Now the reformed agency has finally tracked her down and offered me the contract. One day, I will think of this as just another job. After all, this is what I do.
Ayan na siya.
Listen to me. I need you to be brave. A man will come and take you away. I cannot go with you. This is how it has to be. This man is different. He will protect you. Please don't judge him for what he might do. I'm sorry. Maybe someday you will understand.
This is Benjamin Travis. The money has been wired to your account. Welcome to Chicago. I appreciate you taking this assignment, 47. It is never easy targeting our own, but Diana Burnwood's treason must be dealt with. My wits end in one of the teams, but this is a job for a scalpel, not a hammer.
Reasons are irrelevant.
Exactly. Good luck, 47.
Sir. Yeah, it's an ice cream truck. Yeah, I know. I'll get rid of him. Hey, get out of here. We don't want anything.
What about your partner?
What partner?
During this assignment, key game elements will be highlighted. First of all, try to kill with discretion and try to remain undetected. Let's look at the interface. In the lower left corner, the blue bar indicates your health. Next to it is the radar. Use it to keep track of enemies, objectives, and exit points. In the lower right corner, you can see what weapon you have selected and if it's hidden. Next to the weapon, the yellow bar indicates how much instinct you have available. If it is depleted, you cannot rely on instinct abilities.
According to ICA Division Chief Benjamin Travis, my former handler Diana Burnwood has gone rogue, taking with her a valuable agency asset, a girl named Victoria. After months underground, Diana's safe house has been located, a heavily guarded mansion on the shores of Lake Michigan. My objective? Eliminate Diana and retrieve the girl. Personal note: Diana saved my life. Although the grounds for termination are just, I take no pride in this assignment. From here on out, I shall refer to her only as my target. I must not get personally involved.
You are about to enter a restricted area. The guard up ahead will try to arrest you if he spots you, so keep low and try to slip past unnoticed.
We need to set up security at the wall entrance. Surveillance cameras, motion detectors, some of those...
Items found in the world can be used as close combat weapons, or you can use them to distract your enemies. Throw the wrench at the buckets to distract the guard.
Hey.
Excellent. Slip past while the guard is distracted.
Hey there. Hello?
To get the full benefit of this introduction, try to remain unseen and kill with discretion. When you aim, you snap to nearby targets. Aim for the head, then increase your precision by steadying your aim. Clean kill. Remember to hide the body. Bodies left in plain sight will alert your enemies. The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide.
I know it's the client's call, but that doesn't mean I have to like it. Calling in personnel from local outfits...
Holster your weapon.
Barely have time to do proper background checks. I tell you.
Use your fiber
something
wire
must
to
have gotten
silently
spooked.
eliminate the guard up ahead. Clean kill. Notice the fiber wire allows you to drag your target immediately.
Okay, we're not supposed to know about the, What
Termination on the way.
Agent 47's training and supreme senses allow him to keenly perceive his surroundings.
What the?
Use instinct or consult the radar to locate the exit. Use instinct to anticipate enemy movement.
The chef's cooking up a storm.
The guard is headed for the railing and will not reach you.
Tell you, This gig is
Edged
like
and
watching
piercing
paint
weapons can be used for deadly
the
throws
surface.
as well as distractions. Focus on a target. Your current weapon is unsilenced and might alert your enemies. Consider using your silenced silver. The greenhouse up ahead will require a disguise to infiltrate unnoticed. Look for a disguise. You are disguised as a gardener. In this disguise, you are allowed to be in the greenhouse area. Trick the gardener.
I knew that guy. Sir? How's it going?
The guards up ahead will not be suspicious, but you should keep a lookout for other gardeners.
No school, no friends coming over? Sir?
Bit odd, don't you think? I don't know. Maybe.
Sorry, pal. New rules. This area is off limits unless you're security or guests of Miss Burnwood.
What? Why? What if we need to use the restroom?
Perfect. Just perfect. I'm gonna kill these maintenance clowns.
Nah,
The guards have been dealt
pays him a
with.
week in advance.
Doing so, you regain some instinct.
Come on, let's check out the boats.
The guards are preoccupied. You can kill them or sneak past. The choice is yours.
I'd settle happily for a roof over my head, you know?
Clean kill. Remember to hide the body. Bodies left in plain sight will alert your enemies. Eliminating your enemies makes it less complicated to remain undetected, but even if it is efficient, the silent assassin strives to leave the world around him unaware and untouched.
I'm through the compound. Accessing
You are
mansion.
carrying a visible
Approaching
weapon.
target.
Holster it to avoid
Infiltrate the
suspicion.
mansion and terminate Diana Burnwood. And Victoria, bring her in, unharmed. She is very dear to me and the agency.
What? You're kidding me. Wait, are you sure? It's not prostate cancer. I could kiss you. I mean, that's great news. Oh, man, you made my day. Yeah, thanks, Doc. Yeah. Whew, man, I thought I was a goner. Yeah. Doc, I gotta run. Duty calls. And thank you so much. You have a nice day, too. Yeah, bye. Woo! Man, no one can piss on this day.
You are now inside the mansion. Your current disguise will be suspicious to the mansion guards. Either find a new disguise or try to remain undetected. The mansion guard disguise gives you full access to the mansion interior. Be mindful that other mansion guards see through your disguise if you come too close, so keep a safe distance. You have activated a checkpoint. If you die or if you choose to restart, you will start at this location. Throughout the game, you will find evidence. Removing beyond this door, the rating system will be turned on. It will monitor your playstyle and reward your progress. You can see it in the top left corner. As always, how you handle your assignment is entirely up to you. Good luck.
Is a trade secret handed down from master to apprentice for centuries. I will take the secret ingredient with me to the grave.
Is it salt?
No. No! What do you take me for? Salt? Please?
Use instinct to locate objects of interest.
Goddamn new guy. New guy?
Listen up. Miss Burnwood is in the upstairs shower. Will be down shortly. The girl's in her room and will remain so for the time being. Those of you who do not know the drill, I will personally appoint close protection notice. Do not leave your VIP side for any reason during your shift. Any breach of procedure will result in immediate termination. Burnwood is in the upstairs shower and will be down shortly. The girl's in her room and will remain so for the time being. For those of you who do not know the drill, I will personally appoint a close protection notice. You will not.
What the hell?
Your VIP side for
Go
any
through that!
during your shift. Any breach of procedure will result in immediate termination and subsequent blacklist.
All right, show yourself. What was yours?
Subdue or kill. The choice is yours. Either way, he won't be waking up anytime soon. You are disguised as a chef. You are allowed everywhere in the ground floor mansion area. No one in the mansion will see through this disguise, but the body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide.
Alpha. I don't care. Order one of those mobile restrooms to put in the gardens. I will not risk infiltration by allowing anyone into the mansion that has not been directly approved by myself or by my closest staff. See that it is done. Over. New chef's assistant. Why was I not informed?
Of all the clients I've worked with,
Report with my intel officer after duty for a security check. Cloak and dagger kind of girl, that's for sure. What's her story, anyway?
Nobody seems to know. Not even the head of it.
Someone is... You are being arrested. Do not run. Instead, fake... Use instinct to locate objects of interest.
Listen up. Miss Burnwood is in the upstairs shower and will be down shortly. The girl's in her room and will remain so for the time being.
Come on, you can tell me. My lips are sealed.
This recipe is a trade secret handed down from master to apprentice for centuries. I will take the secret ingredient with me to the grave.
Is it salt?
No. No! What do you take me for? Salt? Please? I am one of the finest chefs in this culinary wasteland, you culination. You put liquid butter on your popcorn, and you have the nerve to make assumptions about my award-winning recipes. Salt. Shame on you, sir. Shame. Now go on. Get out of here.
All right, relax. Was only asking. Christ. Don't have a heart attack.
Out, I say! Go guard a gate! Or shoot at some beer cans, you big ape!
Sacre bleu.
What the hell was that? Come on, is anyone there? This is not funny.
Subdue or kill. The choice is yours. Either way, he won't be waking up anytime soon. The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide. You are disguised as a chef. You are allowed everywhere in the ground floor mansion area. No one in the mansion will see through this disguise, but be mindful not to carry visible weapons, as they will cause suspicion.
I don't care. Order one of those mobile restrooms to put in the gardens. I will not risk infiltration by allowing anyone directly approved by myself or by my close staff. See that it is done. Over. Forget it. You don't get upstairs without the head security.
I tell you, this has got to be the straightest top of the pile.
Welcome
Got the credentials.
That's for sure.
No, Mom.
What's her story, anyway?
Nobody seems to know. Not even the head, I think.
I also didn't
But I
like
caught a
that
glimpse of the
last cut
documents
one
the other
bit.
day when I was on escort duty.
Stay
Had
sharp,
some
men.
skull and
I have
bone
urgent business with gate security.
Okay. Mercis letter for Christmas. Oh, wait. You're not still
Lethal trade? Wait, you don't mean... I thought they were just a legend.
You know what they say about the devil and his greatest trick.
Jesus. This woman didn't just piss off some crime lord, did she? Cramps. I need to sit. Just for a moment. No one's gonna know.
It can't be that rusty. This thing needs a tuning. We should get a piano guy.
If your score is high enough, you will unlock an assassin technique. Open the notebook to see your next unlock. Assassin techniques will permanently enhance Agent 47's abilities, both in story and contracts mode.
Hey, nice view. Never noticed that before.
Closing in on target.
Well done, 47. Now remember, Diana brought this on herself. She betrayed us, the agency, the code, everything we stand for. She is too dangerous to be left alive. Think about that when you pull the trigger.
Wait.
47? Report, 47.
I should kill you. Why did you do this?
47! Damn it, what's wrong with this thing?
We all have our limits, even you, 47. We used to have honor.
Diana,
No. I had to take her away from the doctors. I knew you would understand.
Fuck. Something's not right.
You won't last long.
There's no time.
You still have a chance.
In my robe. A letter. Now go. Take the girl and run. Before Travis finds out. Please, do not let her turn it to you. Promise me.
I promise.
Running is noisy and makes it easier for your enemies to spot you. Agent 47 can deal with enemies swiftly and with great precision. Note that while you are focusing on your targets, you expend instinct rapidly. Turn the camera to focus on your enemy, then lock the shot. Fatal damage. Focus on the next enemy. All enemies are dealt with. Now execute.
You know who I am.
I know. She's dead, isn't she?
Come on, stay close to me.
Where are we going?
Get in. It's done.
Excellent work, 47. Bring the girl to the extraction point.